We'll quickly show you various methods to find people on Instagram using the search bar and your device's contact list. And stay tuned till the end for a bonus tip on linking Facebook to Instagram. Let's get started. The most straightforward way is to use the search function. From the home screen, tap the search button and enter the username or name in the top search field. Another method is using your device's contact. If the user is part of your contacts list on your smartphone, you can sync them by accessing your profile and tapping the three-line icon. Select Settings and Privacy, scroll to the section How Others Can Interact with You, and click Follow and Invite Friends. Press the Follow Contacts button, and allow Instagram to access your device's contacts list. Now, you can easily find and follow your friends on Instagram. If you've previously linked your Facebook and Instagram accounts, you can find your Facebook friends on Instagram too. Go to your Instagram profile, tap the menu, select Discover People, and connect to Facebook. Once connected, a list of your Facebook contacts' Instagram profiles will appear. Now, one bonus tip to connect your Instagram and Facebook accounts. Navigate to your profile page, and click on the menu or three-line icon. Select Settings, then go to Account Center. Proceed to set up the Account Center and choose Add Facebook Account. Log in with your Facebook credentials, and select your preferences to synchronize between the two accounts. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, check out our full playlist of tutorials about Instagram.